we try to study what are known as shorshim. The word shoresh in Hebrew means root, and shorshim is the plural, roots. The Hebrew roots are three-letter combinations, and out of those three-letter combinations, we build a lot of words. So when we learn the roots, we have an opportunity to learn a whole bunch of words. So let's find the shorshim for tonight. Hopefully it's where I think it is, and it actually is not. So let me back up and search for that file. Let's see now. Shore. I see this is going to be a bit of a problem here. Let me back up one more. I don't know where it went. Sorry for the delay, guys. Here we go. Here it is. The word shorshim means roots, and we're studying Hebrew roots. I'm going to ask Joseph to lead us in reciting the vocabulary words, the two Hebrew roots that we're going to discover in the first verses of Psalm 20, verse 2. Joseph, could you take it over from here?
Yes, we have shagav. Shagav is to exalt. Shagav is
with
the
a
root.
Sin.
Is the Hebrew root.
Right, with a sin, not a
Sagav.
shin.
Sagav.
Right.
Sagav is to exalt.
Nice.
And Ana to answer.
Nice. So as we become familiar with the exercise, I call it becoming a detective or a policeman, investigating the verse for instances of our roots. For example, can we find Ana? Joseph?
Yes.
Okay.
We have Ana in the first line, the first word. Vanecha.
Yanecha. Yancha. Ya'ancha.
Ya'ancha.
So
yes,
this
sorry.
yud, right, and that's no problem. This yud is gigantic in this particular font, but it is in fact a yud. So what do we note about this shoresh in the verse? Which letter is missing from the shoresh?
The hey.
Well done. So as detectives, as we become more advanced, we need to be aware that sometimes a letter drops out, but we're still dealing with that root. The ayin nun is still with us from the ayin nun hey of the root ya'ancha. May you answer, O God. Ya'ancha. May you, or Ya'ancha, may he answer you. May God answer you. Ya'ancha Hashem, may God answer you. And how about Sagav, to exalt, Joseph?
In the second line, the first word, we have Yesagevcha.
Beautiful. Yisagevcha. May he exalt you. May God exalt you. Joseph, I want you to continue. I'm going to ask you to recite, and then we'll read the English, and then maybe you can give us some ideas about the verse. Kindly, Joseph, would you pronounce the verse for us?
Yes. Ya'anha, Yahweh, Beyom, Sarah,
Very nice.
Yesagevha, Shem,
Good.
Elohei,
Nice.
Yaakov.
Yaakov. And we'll recognize the name Jacob in the word Yaakov. May God answer
Yes.
you. Maria, are you still with us?
Yes.
Thank you for your Father's Day wishes, by the way, daughter.
Oh, I haven't sent any yet.
Oh, okay, then I won't thank you yet. But would you kindly read the English translation for us?
May God sorrow, may the name of the God of Jacob exalt you.
Very nice. So, what does it mean, Joseph? May the name of God exalt me. How does that work? The name may the name of the God of Jacob exalt you. How do you understand that, brother?
Yes. We have another verse that says, some trust in chariots, but we trust in the name of Yahweh, our Elohim. I think
Okay.
trusting the name of Elohim of Jacob exalts someone, because when you trust in it, you become blessed.
Very nice. I couldn't even begin to do as nice a job as you do, especially because you find other verses which support the concept. It's just very, very, very satisfying to hear your insights. Thank you. We will continue with this, yes, with this lesson tomorrow, because we can have a lot of fun with these shorshim. We didn't even really scratch the surface. I've got a whole second part to this lesson, which we will enjoy tomorrow. Of course, as always, everybody is welcome if they are able to join the second class. But we'll take a little break now, and then we'll begin the next class in a minute or so. Thank you very much for a wonderful lesson, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Wow.